Well, guys, we have a rainy day here in Riyadh, and check out the driving here in the rain. Well, I must say that it's raining a lot. Wow, it's heavy rain actually, and we are gonna drive in the rain, enjoying this rainy season. Let's hope that I reach safely back. Well, from what I see, if I look into the camera, I can see clearly. But if I look at the screen, there's more distortion. How's your day been? I hope all of you would be fine and in the best of health, wealth, love, and happiness in your lives. I also recorded one short video before. What a wonderful rainy day we have here. Waiting for the signal to turn green. Come on, come on. I hope you people would be able to listen to the sound. It's raining cats and dogs. Oh my goodness. It's super heavy rain. We had a stretch where it was raining a lot actually. And I'm gonna take some pictures from my phone over here. Today we are actually spending more time on the traffic lights, which wasn't the case in the morning. WhatsApp everyone. So we are across. Assalamualaikum. Not sure how much I can record with the camera. I think I still have 7% of the battery left on the camera. I was trying to make one video on my YouTube channel. Oh, the TikTok channel. Seems like we are gonna stay here in traffic, but the weather is awesome. Guys, just a little while back it was raining cats and dogs here in Riyadh, and well, right now check out the weather. Relatively clear. Oh, that was pretty loud. Okay, so well, the weather is super beautiful and the rain stopped for a bit actually. How's your day going? And it's gonna be a weekend, so make the best out of it. Enjoy this lovely weather, guys. Guys, just a little while back it was raining cats and dogs here in Riyadh, and well, right now check out the So this is the video that I was recording for my TikTok channel. we have to be careful driving. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is gonna, well, just be recording the last minutes, but well, this was it, guys. A rainy drive here in Riyadh, but now we are on the streets, which at least right now seems like they haven't seen much rain compared to from where we came.